Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn some basic Linux command. Here we will create a file, create a folder, then we will view this file, we will delete this file and something else. Okay, let's start. Step 1, we will create a file. Here we will create a file by the following command. We have to write task, touch task. Then we have to write the file name. Like I want to create a file that's name is myfile. So myfile.txt, task myfile.txt. Then this file will create. Then step 2, we will create a folder. So creating a folder, we have to run a command. This command name is mkdir. The full form of mkdir is make directory. Mkdir. Make the short form is mk and dir is the short form of directory. So make directory, that means I want to create a directory, then I have to name the directory. So I want to name the directory is my folder. So my folder directory is created. Then I want to create a file in my folder directory, and I also want to write some text in this my file text. So I have to run a command that is echo. So echo, then I have to input the text which I want to write. So like I want to write that hello, this is a sample text. Okay, then I have to enter the location. Here I am in, so I want to introduce the folder name my folder, then the directory myfile.txt. Okay, then if I want to say the list of the files and directory, so this command is ls. Ls is the short form of list. Okay, here we saw that myfile.txt, it's a text file, and another folder my folder. So I want to read the myfile.txt which was in my folder. So I have to write a command that is cat, then my folder, then myfile.txt. Okay, then I can see the text hello, this is a sample text. Okay, now if I want to edit the myfile.txt, then I have to use a command that is nano, then my folder, then myfile.txt. Then I am getting editor box. Then I text that edited. Okay. Then I can use Ctrl+X to exit. Then yes, I want to save it. So I press Y. Then I just press enter. Okay. Then if I use the previous command cat my folder slash my file, my folder slash my file, then I can get the updated version. Okay, then I am getting the edited. Okay, so if I want to remove the my folder or my file, so I can use a command that rm my folder then my file as I want to remove this text. Okay. Then if I use the command ls, then I am getting my file and my folder, but the file was in my folder that was deleted. How can I see that? If I use the cat command, my folder slash myfile.txt, it says that no such file or directory. Okay, that means it was deleted. Then if I want to delete my folder, then I can use a command rmdir, that means remove directory my folder, then my folder directory is deleted. If I use a command ls, then I can see that there is only myfile.txt, but in the previous it was my folder. So myfile.txt also deleted. If I want to delete myfile.txt, I can also use by the rm command. So rm, that means remove my file.txt, my file.txt removed. After the ls, then I can see that there is no file and there is no folder. Okay, thank you for listening.